Hi guys, today I am gonna show you how to make a vending machine in your own Minecraft world. It's very simple. Watch the video till end, like my video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So we need any kind of blocks. I am taking black concrete, bookshelf, glass, item frame, a button, a dropper and any kind of food which you want for vending machine, and trapdoor and a black banner. I am taking black concrete, so I am taking a black banner. So place your bookshelf above one block like this. And put glasses in front of them. Then build like me. So break one block below it and place a drop and put the food that you want and then cover it. And place a button on it. Place your item from beside the button and above the button. Place your food in the item frame. And take iron trapdoor and place it in second item frame. And place a black banner on it like this. And done. Your vending machine is done. It's totally working and looking good. As you can see, so guys, like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.
That's it, Brian? Yes.